Let's learn Italian today. Welcome everyone. Fausto Carnevale, ESENtaxa. Today we are going to do a different thing. We are going to learn Italian. Am I joking? What do I mean learning Italian? Well, I noticed, and for our clients and in general for our followers on YouTube, that there are some words in Italian that you absolutely need to know. Even if you don't want to learn Italian, we understand that you want to move to Italy, not because necessarily you want to learn Italian, but in respect to our field, which is the fiscal consultancy, there are some words that you need to memorize a bit. Otherwise, you can have some problems in Italy when, for instance, you have a fiscal control or when, for instance, when you have a call with an accountant, even if he speaks in English, some words are a little bit difficult to translate sometimes. Sometimes when I speak in English, I mention those words in Italy specifically because it's easier to understand them. So, first word that you need to memorize. Codice fiscale. What is the codice fiscale? Maybe some of you already know. The codice fiscale is the fiscal code, and in Italian, the name is codice fiscale. If you already saw our videos, the codice fiscale is the code that identifies a person in Italy. Now, if you're from abroad, you can create your own fiscal code, and we already did a video about it, and codice fiscale is requested when you buy, for instance, a car, a house, you open a bank account, you open a company, etc. Second word is residenza fiscale. And this is very important. What is the residenza fiscale? Well, it's fiscal residency, or we can say where you pay the taxes. So the residenza fiscale is, for the Italian purposes, the state, city, where you are domiciled and where you pay the taxes. So if I am born in Italy, by default, I am residente fiscale in Italy. If you move to Italy, you open a company, you open a forfait regime, you are residente fiscale in Italy. So remember that you want to be residente fiscale, meaning that you have to, for instance, stay in our country for a period, normally more than 6 months, and you are fiscal residents in Italy. Also about this, remember when you move out of Italy, for instance, if an Italian want to move out of Italy, you have to register yourself, to a specific register called AIRE. Third point, Agenzia delle Entrate. You cannot move to Italy if you don't know what Agenzia delle Entrate is. Remember, Agenzia delle Entrate is the tax authorities office. Most important one. And why you have to know? Why you have to know? Because, for instance, if you receive a letter, you go to your accountant, they will tell you, even if they speak English, they will tell you, did you receive something from Agenzia delle Entrate? And then you may say, what? Agenzia what? Now you know. Agenzia delle Entrate is the Italian tax authorities office. The most hated one in Italy, I must say, because of course, when they tell you that you have to pay, it's never a good thing. But for you to know it is a big point of advantage. Then, prima casa. Prima casa we already talked about when I did the video when I bought my apartment in Italy. Is the first home, so you can have different bonds, notary fees, etc., etc. This is not the video. But when you say they talk about prima casa in Italy, why it's so important? Because of the fiscal deduction. But remember, when you hear prima casa, it means the first home that you buy. Then SRL and SPA. So to be more specific, I think you need only this. This is Società a Responsabilità Limitata. What is SRL. What is this Società Responsabilità Limitata? Basically, it's the limited responsibility company. So it's the company in which the shareholder have no responsibility but for the capital that they apported, for the capital that they gave. In Italian, the name is Società, which is society, a responsabilità limitata, meaning a society, meaning a company with a limited responsibility. For who? For the shareholder. So when you want to move Italy, you can open a VAT as a physical person or as a company. Then we have IVA. You will hear it a lot. IVA. Did you pay the IVA? They may ask you. So if you read IVA, remember IVA is VAT. Then you have regime forfettario. When you do the call with us, guys, when we advise you, when we ask, have you ever thought about doing the regime forfettario? Well, the regime forfettario is the forfeit. We can translate the forfeit regime. So you're a physical person, you open a VAT, and you pay like the 5% of taxes if you have some specific, let's say, condition. I invite you to watch our old videos about it. Last thing is commercialista. You know it? So is commercialista is your accountant. Oh, let's say that you reply to Agenzia delle Entrate and they ask you, why don't you contact your commercialista? Why? You say, what? I need to contact who? And they say, commercialista, you know? Now you know. Your accountant, we made a video also about it. It is how much it is important. And me and Andrea, we made a video how to find a good accountant in Italy. What does it mean? In Italian, they say it, we call it commercialista. I hope, guys, that this video helped you a bit more. I am sure that you already knew some words in Italian, but now we are trying to teach you a bit more about Italy, because it's very important that you know a bit of the main fiscal if you decide to move to our beautiful country. So until next time, Fausto Carnevale here. Don't forget to subscribe to this video. Don't forget to share this video with your friend and share this video with the people that may be interested. And if you want to you want to have more information, if you are looking for a partner that can help you in the entire process of moving in Italy, the best thing you can do now is to book a consultancy call with me and Andrea. We tailor our call based on your need, and we can provide you best knowledge available. Remember that we speak Italian and English. Until next time, again, ESENtaxa, Fausto Carnevale.